This is Eric with the Locksmith Co. We're here today with the new tool called the MachanMagic. Manufacturer of this tool is saying that it'll do the newer style forward proximities. It's really their biggest selling point on it. Just going to go over some basic functions. If you've got an MK798, it's pretty much the same. You can go in a vehicle. You can reload your tokens, which gives you the out code just like the MK798 does. And if you come in here to about for whatever reason, you can check your voltage at your OBD2 port. So if you have no voltage, you're not going to have any communication with the car. I have this hooked up just a standard 12 volt 3 amp power supply. I'm going to assume that this would work just like other programmers to where you can backfeed voltage through the OBD2 port if the OBD2 port is dead but you have power at a cigarette lighter. That's just the tutorial on the basics of this tool. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, lightweight. Looking forward to seeing how well it works.